Pating Reviews presents Alienware AW2721D 27-inch gaming monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Best 1440p 240Hz Battle Royale gaming monitor. Just got this new monitor and wow, this monitor is beautiful in picture quality and in style. Sexy for 6 versus 6. The 360Hz monitor will take it to the max, but the Battle Royale's games 1440p is and will be the meta. Gaming at 1440p and Battle Royales gives you an advantage, and that is to see further in detail than the 1080p monitor can. I find myself hitting more consistent shots from 150 to 300 meters that before my eyes had to work harder to do. 20/20 vision. 1440p will definitely be the new Battle Royale king. I went and tested both of my 1080p 240Hz monitors, Predators XB272S and the AW2521HFL, and after playing with this monitor for barely a few days, and wow, I'm sorry, but any Battle Royale on 1080p compared to this monitor just felt like trash. Jesus, what a difference. This monitor is the best purchase I have made. Well worth the wait after my situation. I'm glad it is finally delivered. Settings. Preset standard gives best picture. Fast response is the smoothest to the eye. Mode 0 for gaming, 65 brightness, 75 contrast, ambient light, and eco mode off. Overall, this is a really amazing gaming monitor, and I definitely recommend that you check it out. Here are the ports and slots that are included on this monitor. A power connector, 3 HDMI 2.0 ports, a display port 1.4, down lights, 2 super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1, 5 gigabits per second downstream port with power charging, headphone out jack, super speed USB 3.2 Gen 1 5 gigabyte upstream ports, 2 of those, an audio line out jack. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.